Okay, I just got my hands on WeShop AI. Let's unbox and see what this app can do. I'm always looking for ways to upgrade my product photos. First impression, the interface looks clean and modern. Let's upload a sample product image and test it out. Wow, it instantly enhanced my photo. Colors just pop now. Next, let's try the background removal feature. Just one click, and the background is completely gone. No more messy edges or weird outlines, super clean cut. Now, let's generate a new product photo with AI. I select a style, hit generate, and wait a second. This is impressive. The AI created a pro-looking shot. You can choose different backgrounds and vibes. It really saves time compared to manual editing. Let's compare before and after images side by side. The difference is honestly night and day. My product looks ready for any online store. I love how effortless the whole process feels. No need for Photoshop or expensive freelancers. The AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Let's try another product photo to double-check consistency. Again, instant enhancement and flawless background removal. The results are super professional every single time. Even tricky items with fine details come out great. If you run an online store, this tool is a game changer. E-commerce marketers will save hours on photo editing. Product photographers can quickly create variations. The AI-powered generation is my favorite feature here. It's like having a creative studio in your pocket. You don't need any design skills to use this. Everything is intuitive and beginner-friendly. Let's check out the export options. Super straightforward. High-resolution downloads are available for all images. Perfect for listing on Shopify, Amazon, or Etsy. You can batch process multiple images at once. That's a huge time saver for big inventories. Honestly, I wish I'd found this sooner. If you want to level up your product photos, try WeShop AI. Right now, there's a great deal on AppSumo. Don't miss out if you want to boost your store's visuals. Check the link below to grab WeShop AI today. Let me know your thoughts if you give it a try.